Imagine paying top dollar for your dream home only to find out that your plumbing could be a ticking time bomb. That's exactly what's happening for some homeowners with Uponor blue and red PEX tubing. Today, I'm here to help you uncover if your home is at risk and what you can do about it. Hey everyone, it's Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. Today we're diving into a major issue for homeowners, defective blue and red PEX tubing from Uponor. Now, PEX is pretty popular in modern plumbing because it's flexible, easy to install, and more affordable than copper. But sometimes innovation can backfire. In the case of Uponor's blue and red PEX tubing, it seems like a flaw in the manufacturing process led to serious issues for homeowners. Here's the background. Back in 2021, a class action lawsuit was filed against Uponor. Homeowners discovered that their blue and red PEX pipes were degrading far too quickly, causing leaks, water damage, and costly repairs. Now, what went wrong? According to the lawsuit, the problem lies in how the blue and red colors were applied to the tubing. During manufacturing, a heat treatment was used to adhere these colors, but unfortunately, this process compromised the tubing's antioxidant stabilizers. Think of the tubing like a brand new phone. It's powerful and reliable at first, but if you constantly expose it to harsh conditions, it's going to deteriorate faster. With Uponor's PEX, this oxidation process was sped up by the heat treatment, leading to micro cracks and leaks that were never supposed to happen. Now let's talk about the risk. If you have this type of PEX tubing, your plumbing could be more vulnerable to leaks, micro cracks, and even burst pipes. The issue with this is it doesn't just cause minor drips, it can lead to mold growth, major water damage, and a big hit to your wallet. And because these leaks can start off small, many homeowners don't notice the problem until it's already caused significant damage. So, how do you know if your home is at risk? Start by locating your plumbing pipes and checking their color. Uponor's defective PEX tubing is usually red for hot water lines and blue for cold. Once you confirm the color, look for any labels or markings. You can actually cross-reference this information on Uponor's website. For homeowners who need additional information or confirmation, a professional licensed plumber can identify the specific type of PEX used in your plumbing system. Now, let's say you're selling your home and you find out you have this problematic PEX tubing. First, don't panic. There are steps you can take to address it. Talk to a licensed plumber about potential replacement options or repairs before listing the home. Remember, addressing these issues up front can be a huge advantage because it demonstrates transparency and it helps avoid surprises in the buyer's inspection. And for my buyers, if you're about to purchase a home with blue or red PEX tubing, make sure you request a thorough plumbing inspection. If your inspector finds issues, you can negotiate with the seller for repairs or credits before closing. It's better to be proactive than to discover these issues later on when repairs could be even more expensive. If you're already dealing with issues from Uponor's PEX tubing, there are options. Since the lawsuit was filed, affected homeowners may be able to pursue compensation for damages and repairs. Consulting with a legal expert can help you understand your eligibility and next steps, including whether you might qualify for any reimbursement. So there you have it. Uponor's blue and red PEX tubing might seem like a small issue, but it's important to know what's going on behind your walls. Whether you're buying, selling, or just concerned about plumbing in your home, taking a few steps now can save you from a huge headache down the road. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with others who might need this info, and subscribe for more insights on keeping your home safe and sound. I'm Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. Thanks for watching and stay proactive. See you on the next one. Ready to find your pre-inspected dream home with confidence? Visit us at proinspectsolutions.com/dream home to explore homes that are fully inspected and potentially move-in ready. Plus, sellers can attract serious buyers faster with a pre-inspected property, and buyers gain confidence knowing they're making a solid investment. And this is a win-win for anyone looking to make buying or selling process smoother and stress-free. Click the link below to sign up and get alerts.